to the American Garage. Today I have an announcement. I bought an airplane. Now I have a question for you. Would you like to learn about the process of restoring an airplane and bringing it back to life? Would you like to see me do a series on making this airplane airworthy again? I'll walk you through the process if you do. I'm not going to do a series on it if you don't want it. If you don't respond, then I'll just fix the airplane on my own. Anyway, I wanted to let you know about this, see if it was something that you were interested in. I do have more videos on the car coming. Yes, we're almost finished with the car. I'll get into that a little bit later. But anyway, drop me a comment below. Let me know if you'd like to see us do a series on restoration of an airplane. Thanks for watching The American Garage. If you like this video, hit the like button and leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe.